Hi guys, so we have an Asus ROG Strix G16. So today I will show you the unboxing of this Asus ROG Strix gaming laptop. The packaging is very nice and safe. So there is a lot of cardboard inside, so which is very strong. So there is no doubt that there would be any impact to the laptop. And it's a bit heavy. So this is just good from Asus. If you can see the laptop inside the cardboard. So to open this, all we have to do is pull it forward. So the laptop will rise up. So which is kind of nice from Asus. So it's a very thought design from Asus. Laptop is around 2.5 to 2.8 kgs and it's very slim. So we have the gray color laptop with us. So the processor is i7 Intel 13th generation and 16 GB RAM and 1 TB SSD. The reason I chose Asus was the build quality is very good and the finishing was very good. So before choosing Asus, I shortlisted Dell and HP, but for the price point, they didn't feel good. So as you can see, the fit and finish is really good. So it gets a matte finish coating, and which really improves the look and finish of the laptop. As you can see from distance, it feels really good. So there is that ROG logo on the screen. So let's power up the laptop now and see how it behaves. So let me power on the laptop and see how it goes. So you can see it's a RGB keyboard and with aura lightings, and it feels really good. It adds that touch to the laptop which other competitors are not able to do. So I've seen RGB keyboards, but they are like pretty basic, so there is no attraction to that keyboard. But if you can see Asus, it really kind of attracts the user to those RGB lightings. So this is how it feels when all the lights are off. So you can change the different settings of the light color coming from the keyboard. So right now it's like red color and it's blinking. So we can have a rainbow color, or we can have like a color RGB colors transitioning. So this is like slowly transitioning, the whole keyboard transitions to different colors, one color by one color. Or you can have RGB colors from left to right instead of one color transitioning to other color. See, so now from left to right RGB color rainbow pattern comes and goes. So this is kind of very nice. So this was one of the reason I chose this laptop. So it's very attractive. Thank you guys.